faster. Start on your vision, on your plan today. Start today. Start today. And watch everything else fall into place. Ups and downs, but manage to follow your vision. Cheers.